Hey there and welcome to my channel. It has been quite some time since I filmed some type of favorites video. These are my absolutely favorite videos to film, and I have quite a bit of stuff that I've been collecting and loving over the last couple of months, so I wanted to share everything with you. If this is your first time and you're just stumbling across my channel, hello and welcome. Happy to have you here. My name is Janetta and I film all types of lifestyle content on this channel. Right now I'm working on decorating and renovating my house that I just bought with my boyfriend in October, so I'm filming a lot of content like that. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let's get into it. So this is the Universal Thread. They're vintage straight. I guess they're like mom jeans or what they feel like, but they have like this raw hem on the bottom with distressing in the knees on both sides. They're kind of like wide leg jeans, and I've never purchased a pair of pants like this before. I don't know if it's chuggy or whatever, but I love skinny jeans. I do love straight leg jeans, but more that are more fitting, and these are kind of loose. They're so comfy. They're really flattering on my body type. I feel like these will be flattering on a lot of body types. These were $29.99, which I think is not a bad price point for a really good comfy jean. I've only worn them once, so I haven't washed them yet. I will comment down below how it does in the wash. Another thing I got from Target is this charcoal t-shirt dress with ruffled sleeves. It's kind of like a muscle tank, and then they put ruffles on the sides of them, but I love the texture of the dress. I actually got the tank tops that were the same material as the dress. It's kind of like a thicker t-shirt material. It's not super see-through, so it's really comfy and very flattering because it's A-line, and it's perfect for the heat because it covers everything, and it's like a thicker cotton, but it's not too thick where you're like hot and sweaty. Another thing is, because I've been gardening and working on house projects a lot, I wanted a pair of really comfy shorts that I can just do errands, go to Home Depot, be in the backyard gardening in, and I found the perfect pair at Target as well. When I went to the beach, we had a 6-hour drive, and I wore the black ones, and oh my god, I just love. So comfy. While we're on clothing, I picked up this set from Fabletics. I found these shorts, and I was looking for some biker shorts that were not so cottony, a little bit better, thicker material, and I love these. So they honestly feel very uncomfortable when you're holding them up. It doesn't feel like it's like comfy or, you know, nice quality at all, but when you put them on, I don't know what it is. I don't know what material it is, but these are some good thick pants, girl. I don't know if you can see at the bottom, but they have these like perforated hems here. So if you wanted it a little bit shorter, you can cut it here without it fraying. And they have 3 different lines here so that you can cut and customize. And it came with this reversible sports bra in the same material. So the outside is black, the inside is like this really bright Kelly green color. And my last clothing items are Lululemon. You guys, I understand what the hype is about. At first I was like, why would I pay $90 to $100 for a pair of leggings, like workout leggings? But now I understand. I now get the hype. I'm part of the Lulu cult. Like, these are the best pants ever. Dark gray charcoal color. They don't look like they will fit, and then they melt into your body when you put them on. Also, what I really love about it is that there is like an elastic on the inside. These do not roll down, you guys. It is so hard to find like workout pants that do not constantly roll down when you're working out or just moving around. These do not roll down, and so for that I will pay how much ever they want me to pay because it is so comfy. And then I did get the Swift ones. These were made for running. They're like runner's pants, and I tried them on and they were so comfy. I don't run. I like do not run. You'll never see me running, but these are so comfy. These are my actual favorite gardening pants. They do not move. They keep you cool even when it's hot outside, but I am obsessed with them. So definitely go and get you a pair if you've been on the fence, because I absolutely love them. Okay, the next thing in the apparel I'm loving is this little beach hat. If you have natural hair like me, or just, you know, a big ass head, it is really hard to find a really nice hat for the beach or even like summertime that will fit you perfectly. And I've been on the hunt, you guys, and I saw these in the like beach section of ASOS. I love how wide it is on the side, so it really blocks the sun from this side of your face. And then I like the tan color in the back. It's just a Velcro, so you can adjust the size if you do have like a ponytail. I love to do like a top knot or a poof, and this is perfect for the poof because your hair will be on top and you're still protecting your face from the sun. Another cool classic that I am absolutely loving is Supergoop. I understand what the hype is about. I picked up the Unseen Sunscreen, which is SPF 40, and this has a really nice velvety texture that looks amazing. So even if you wanted to wear this alone without makeup, your skin looks nice and blurred. So it's a really good sunscreen to wear absolutely every day, even if you don't wear makeup. Another skincare item I love is this night cream by Philosophy. This is their Renewed Hope in the Jar, but the nighttime overnight recharging and refining moisturizer. I think I've shared on here a couple of times that I absolutely love the normal moisturizer, the Renewed Hope in the Jar with SPF. I absolutely love that moisturizer. I wear it every single day. It is my favorite. I've been wearing it for the last 4 years. It has AHAs in here, so it is a perfect nighttime moisturizer to renew your skin and make your skin glow, as well as exfoliate. And I just feel like this should have been part of my routine when I picked up the other moisturizer. A recent purchase is this Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So I love the Tula Probiotic Face Wash. It is one of my favorites, but I haven't picked up anything else. And so when I was in Ulta getting everything I needed for the beach, I saw this and I was like, this will be perfect. I love under eye creams, but I wanted something that would be nice for the beach, especially something cooling if you're gonna be in the sun. It's gonna be really hot. I love the texture of it. Like it says, it's really cooling. Once you let it on your skin, it feels like you're rubbing ice on your skin, and that sensation lasts for such a long time. It also has caffeine in it, so it makes your under eyes perk up, and I'm wearing it today. And so I love this. You can wear it on top or under makeup. It has very subtle light reflex, so I just feel like it just perks up your under eye. It's perfect for under makeup, and it's good for the summer or when you've been out a little bit and you've been partying and you need just a little bit of a pick-me-up. This is perfect. And then again, because it's hot and humid here in Georgia, I need something like this to keep my under eyes cool, so highly recommend this one. So for a really long time now, I've been suffering from what's called strawberry skin, or I think it's like KP on the legs, and it's because I have like a mild irritation to razors. So I've been trying to find something that will minimize the appearance of the KP. It's not anything someone can notice, but it's something that I notice when I look at my skin. And I also have like mild eczema on my elbows, and I don't know who recommended this to me. I think it was like a TikTok or something. I picked up the CeraVe SA lotion for rough and bumpy skin. This really does help. So if you have bumpy, rough skin, I highly suggest wearing this too. I'm pretty sure you can put this on your face and your body, and I really love it, you guys. My next favorite is a candle. I love candles. I'm always burning a candle. I'm actually burning one back there, but I went to Candlefish with my friends a couple of months ago, and we took a candle making class, and Candlefish has over 100 different scents of candles. I absolutely love going there and taking a candle making class, and the candelier will ask you what your favorite scent is, and it was something so unique. I didn't even think that they would have something like that, but I love the smell of like tomato leaves and fruit. It just reminds me of summer, and it gets me in such like a good happy mood. And they actually had tomato leaf scent candle, so he told me to get number 97, which is the smell of cucumber, tomato, and peaches, which kind of just sounds random, but together it smells so heavenly. I've burned through it so much. I'm like trying to hold on to the last little bit so I don't have to go and rush and get another one, but it just smells so good. We're almost done. My next favorite is another random favorite, but I think you guys might be interested. So I've been using probiotics over the last couple of months. I noticed I get really bloated when I eat certain foods, and so I wanted to regulate my body. So I picked up these Garden of Life Women's Daily Probiotic, and this is supposed to be good for vaginal health, immune health, and digestive health. I notice a big difference in my body when I take these every single day as suggested. I feel like my skin cleared up. I feel like my stomach wasn't as bloated. I didn't have sensitivities to certain foods like I typically do. And I just overall feel much healthier and cleaner. Okay, my last favorite is a book. I picked this up when I was about to go to the beach. I love beach reads. I love anything murder mystery, thrillers, like anything with murder or disappearance. I love it. I love Lisa Jewell. I have a couple of her books that are next to my list, and I think I read 2 of hers, but I love the way that she writes, and so I picked up Then She Was Gone. I read through this book so fast at the beach. I'm on page 214, so I'm not done, but it's so good. I cannot put it down. I'm probably going to finish this in the next couple of days. I've been like, again, if I love something so much, I try to savor it and not like breeze through it, even though I want to finish the book so bad. Basically, what the book is about is a teenage girl disappears from this London town, and no one knows where she went. She like left one day and they haven't found her. Her mom is going through some changes, like the family goes through some changes, and they document that a little bit, and the mom is rediscovering herself, and she connects a mystery with her daughter's disappearance. And so Then She Was Gone is a thriller. You're kind of like on the edge of your seat. It's not too scary or gory, so if you're not into that, it's definitely not one of those books, but so far it is really good. Alright, those are all of the favorites I have been loving over the last couple of months. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next from me, and I'll see you in a couple of days in a brand new video. Bye!